Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Genshin Impact Error 0xc000007b. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what I suggest you to do here is to find a Genshin Impact shortcut, or simply on search you just need to write Genshin Impact, right click on it, open file location, and then on this window here you need to right click again and open file location again. And then you need to scroll down until you see VC-Redist x64, right? So what you need to do here is to install it and install it. But if it's not working for you, if you're getting setup failed error, what you need to do here next is to just open up your browser, and then you just need to write Visual C++, and probably it will be the first link here by learn.microsoft.com. Then you need to download this. If your computer is 64-bit, you need to download this. If your computer is 32 bits, you need to download x86. For me, I need to download this. Save it to your desktop or whatever you like. And also you need to go on Google again and download DirectX as well. Just try to Google DirectX, and probably also it will be by the first link by Microsoft.com. And download DirectX as well to your computer, right? And after you do so, on your desktop, you should see two setups here, right? The first one is VC Redist. You need to repair or click install button and just simply install. And with DirectX as well, you just need to accept agreement, deselect this option here, install the Bing bar, and install everything here. And when everything is installed, you just need to restart the computer and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.